Hi everyone, hope you guys are doing well. Today we are back with a new topic, which is computer vision. So, vote this up if you like it and subscribe to our channel for more like this. Computer vision is a field of study that focuses on enabling computers to interpret and understand visual information from the world around them. It involves the use of algorithms and techniques to extract useful information from images, videos, and other visual data. To learn computer vision, one should start with the fundamentals of mathematics and programming. Some popular programming languages used in computer vision are Python and C++. One can start by learning image processing techniques and then move on to more advanced topics such as object recognition, tracking, and deep learning. Computer vision has numerous applications in various industries, including healthcare, entertainment, security, automotive, and robotics. It enables computers to perform tasks that were previously only possible for humans, such as facial recognition, self-driving cars, and augmented reality. Computer vision is evolving rapidly due to advancements in deep learning, which has enabled more complex and accurate image recognition and analysis. It is also being used in conjunction with other technologies such as IoT and blockchain to enable new applications such as smart cities and intelligent transportation systems. Recent developments in computer vision include using generative adversarial networks, GANs, for image synthesis, developing real-time object detection algorithms, and using computer vision in augmented reality and virtual reality applications. There are various career opportunities in computer vision, including computer vision engineer, data scientist, machine learning engineer, software developer, and research scientist. These roles involve developing, implementing, and improving computer vision algorithms and systems. Computer vision is a rapidly evolving field that has the potential to transform various industries and enable new applications. Learning computer vision can open up many exciting career opportunities, and staying up to date with the latest developments can provide a competitive advantage in this field. That's it from today's video. Hope you learned some new things, and we'll come back with some more new topics. Until then, keep learning and keep growing. Thank you, and bye.